Hello! In the last video I said that I will talk about my tech stack, and I lied. But today I'm finally doing it for real, and I will show you which tools I use to build my cozy mobile games, to create these videos, and how to be organized as a full-time indie dev. So grab a coffee and let's go. Oh, and stick around until the end for my personal insider tip, a tool that I'm using every day and that literally saved my hard drive space. First of all, let's talk about the engine. There's always this endless discussion, which engine is the best, why don't you use engine XYZ, should I use engine whatever is trending right now. And here's my honest take, use the engine you actually like to work in. If you feel comfortable and productive, that's what matters most. For me, that engine is Unity. I started years ago with Flat Red Ball, then moved to Game Maker, then App Game Kit, then had a short Godot phase and finally fell in love with Unity. The editor felt intuitive, and since I was already pretty good at Java, the switch to C# wasn't that hard. Cross-platform builds were a huge thumbs up, and of course, this guy. I think everyone who starts with Unity eventually experiences the magic of Brecky's YouTube channel at some point.
Game development is a bit like jumping into the water before knowing how to swim. All you can do is hope that somehow you find a way to float.
Next topic, the IDE, and here's where I'm not 100% happy. Right now, my daily driver is VS Code. Back in university, I used a lot of NetBeans, but after that, I was always searching for the one IDE that feels perfect for me. Don't get me wrong, VS Code is pretty awesome and I really love the Zen mode. The integration with Unity and IntelliSense makes VS Code pretty badass for the price of $0. So I think it's a great starting IDE for anyone learning to code or jumping into Unity. But for me, and I don't know why, the design of an IDE has to give me some kind of programming vibe. I need to feel like, yeah, I want to build some stuff in here. I'm pretty sure this can be fixed with the right VS Code theme. I just haven't found yet right now. I'm pretty close there, but not 100%. So if you have good VS Code theme recommendations, drop it in the comments and save a poor dev's eye. Okay, let's talk about graphics. As you all know, I'm pretty amazing in graphics.
Is it in here?
My child said no. Okay, no, I'm really not, but I still need to tweak and edit some assets that I bought or generated with AI. And because I played a lot with Photoshop when I was younger, I really like the interface of Affinity. There's no subscription needed, it's free to download and it just feels so familiar. I can do single selection of objects, remove failures very quick, remove the background, import and export in a wide range of file formats, and that's everything I need. Now let's talk how I record and edit these videos. For recording I use OBS. I already had it installed for my co-working streams on Twitch, so it was a no-brainer to also use it for YouTube. I can set up scenes exactly how I want them to be, use filters on my mic, background blur with a finger snap, and switch between gaming view and face cam super easily. And for editing, I'm using the most powerful, advanced, industry-leading tool ever created. Yeah, no, of course not Movie Maker, I'm using DaVinci Resolve. I used to edit on Movavi Business on Windows, but when I switched my workflow over to Mac, I had to pick something new. And after way too many hours of deep research, I landed on DaVinci Resolve. Right now I honestly can't say anything negative about it. It can do everything I need within a few clicks and the free version is insanely powerful. So yeah, for now I'm pretty happy. Next up, how do I organize all of this chaos? I tried so many tools to take notes, create to-do lists, plan my life and store ideas that I never want to forget. And then I discovered Notion. For me, Notion is that one tool that can do pretty much everything I need. Project planning, daily logs, calendar views, writing a GDD, capturing new game ideas, even this video script, all in one place. I organize coding, personal stuff, tech and science, health, business ideas, everything in one workspace. Notion is basically my second brain, and the best part, I can link everything together, from idea to GDD to task list to production. No more copy-pasting the same thing 10 times. And speaking of everything in one place, let's talk about my personal insider tip. Do you know that struggle when your hard drive is completely full? Or you're visiting a friend and want to show them that perfect snail you painted 2 days ago, but the picture is stuck on your PC at home? And that's where pCloud comes in. And no, I don't want this to sound like a cringe TV commercial, but real talk. If you're looking for a solid cloud provider, check out pCloud. I've been using pCloud myself for years now and it's amazing. There are two things I really like about pCloud, and first of all, I personally hate subscriptions, and pCloud is one of the few big providers that still offers a real lifetime model. Pay once and basically use it forever. And another key feature for me is the crypto folder. You pay once and you get an encrypted storage you can access from anywhere in the world. They have a free plan up to 10 gigabytes and you can stack up 500 gigabyte, 2 terabytes and 10 terabytes as you need it. And that's where I store my personal and business stuff. And the best part, on desktop it shows as a virtual drive, so perfect for huge projects without murdering your SSD. So if you're interested in pCloud, feel free to use my affiliate link down below in the description. This would support the channel and my future games. And that's it. That's my current tech stack as an indie dev. If you have good VS Code theme suggestions, please drop it in the comments. Maybe that will solve my code vibing problem. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment what you want to see in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.